Configuring lifecycle management between Okta orgs is both important and easy to set up within Okta. In this example, we have two Okta orgs, FT-org1, which is our Okta ICE organization, which is going to be our primary org, and FT-org2, which is our secondary org, which is also our target org. Both of these orgs are already connected using the org-to-org application in the primary org. In this video, we're going to take a look at the lifecycle management enablement from the primary org to the target org. To enable provisioning, we first need to enable API integration. API integration requires us to establish a trusted connection between this current org and the target org by consuming a unique shared token from the target org. So from the target org, I go to my security, I go to API, go to tokens, and I'm going to go ahead and create a token. This is for my partner Okta org. Go ahead and create that token. This generates a unique token value, which I'm going to copy, and this is the only time I can copy it. It's going to be blank after this. I can go in back to my primary org, configure the API integration, enable it, and paste in my token. I can go ahead and test my API credentials. It was verified successfully, and hit save. Upon save, we're going to notice that we have settings to app and to Okta, which allows us the enablement of features to provision to either the secondary org or from the primary org to the target org. So in our to app option, I'm going to go ahead and edit this provisioning to app and enable create users, update user attributes, and deactivate users. And I'm going to go ahead and hit save. Under our assignments, I will go ahead and add this particular application to my group or individuals. So I'll go ahead and start with group. I'll assign it to everyone in the sales group. I can go ahead and leave this blank. I'm going to hit save and go back and hit done. In this group, we have Tom Jones as our primary member or only member in our group. So we see Tom Jones is automatically assigned. I'm going to go ahead and see if this is also the case here as well. We go to people and we see Tom Jones is active. To add another user, we added by group. We're going to add by people as well. I'm going to go ahead and hit assign to people. I'll assign it to Sally Field. Save and go back and hit done. As we can see, it's successfully added by the individual type. I can go ahead and go to my target org, refresh, and see that Sally Field is now also added to the secondary org. Now we're going to take a look at what it feels like to sign in. I'm going to sign out of this particular org. I'll log in as Tom at Okta ICE, and I'll log in. Upon login, we see that we're assigned to our Okta org-to-org. If I click on the Okta org-to-org, we'll see that it redirects and takes me to the org2 seamlessly.